Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, we are going to see how you can make money online selling your AI generated images, stock videos, etc. from a single dashboard. And this website is connected to all the major marketplace where you can sell your footages. So you just need one account and you can sell to almost all the marketplaces. For that, you just need to sign up for a free account here, and at the footer you can see an AI image generator link. When you click on it, you can just get started with this process of creating the marketplace, and just click on get started. It will take you directly to the Discord server, and if you just authorize it, it will take you to the next step. And if you already have a Discord server, you can just select yes, I have one. So the next step is to select that server and just click on confirm, and again just authorize, and you will have like a captcha to fill out. Once that's done, you are all ready to get started with the image generation process. So once you are inside the Discord server, you can just press like a / button, and there you can see voice stock icon there, and from here you can start creating your image. Just click on /imagine, and you can enter your prompt there. For this example, I am just giving like a futuristic robot reading newspaper. Let's just see how it's done. Before that, you need to actually connect your account with this Discord server. So from your account settings, just click on the account settings, and you can just get your Discord token there, and just copy it. I'm just blurring it for security purpose, and you can just paste that here in the where it says login, and you can enter the token here and just click on enter, and as you can see, you have been successfully logged in. Please select any images. So let's now start creating the image. In order to just create the image, let's use the previous prompt that we generated, that is like a futuristic robot reading newspaper. So just click on enter, and your images will we start generating. And this is the these are like some of the images that it created. It will give you like 3 options. I like the third one. This looks much better, so I am going to like upscale this version 3 of the image. And from here, as you can see, the upscale is in progress, and it normally takes less than 10 seconds. So let's just wait, and the upscale is now ready. Here we have the option to participate in challenge and publish directly to the website, and once you click on it, it's just that easy. You have already published to that your account. You can also view that how it's done. It will automatically generate the keywords, title and metadata and everything. So this is like completely automated, and as you can see, it is now listed on the marketplace. From here you can actually start selling this image here in this marketplace, or to all the other associated marketplace that's partnered with them. So that small icon says that these are like premium features. So in order to download this, you need a premium plan. The premium plan start from like $7 per month, and you also can download this with the prompt. And also there is like a review process before it's approved in the marketplace, so you will need to actually wait for that to happen. And some other options are you can also share it to the social media sites, and you can also create collections which can be made public. And you can also set the price if you are a paid member, and you have the option to make it public and private. And also these are the marketplace that you can select for distribution. You can select or deselect anything according to your preference. If you want to set your own custom price, you need like a paid account. In the paid account, you can send like up to 100 images, upscale like 200 images per month, and there is like a faster review process, and customer support is also there, and you get 100% of the royalty in this platform, and the ability to download files with metadata, and you can store up to 500 GB file space. So this is like the premium plan, and it starts from like $8, and they have like another plan as well. Another option is to buy this as print. You can like create the images as print and posters, and you can also frame print it. So it is also built into this platform, so it's like an additional income opportunity. These are some of the sites that they are partnered with. They have like some big names like Shutterstock, iStock, Alamy, Adobe 123RF, etc. And you have other option to explore the top selling media, so that you get an idea and feel of what's currently working in this marketplace and what's selling it, so that you can also base your strategy depending on this kind of images. So this is like a good starting point if you want to make some money using this. And another extra opportunity that you get to make money is they have like challenges. It's like 24 hours day challenge, 3-day challenge. So they also have a prize for the winners. You can also select from your computer and upload it like that as well in order to participate in the challenge. As you can see, the prize money is really good, $750 and $850. So it's like a really good amount. Is opening up some additional income opportunities for you. So if you'd like to get started, you can sign up using the link in the description below, and share it with your friend who is really passionate about AI images and video generation, and this will open up an additional income opportunity for their passion. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future videos. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.